Norma's been open since January of 2024. So we're only on our 7th month now. We're still a new restaurant trying to get our footing. We opened, behind schedule and over budget like every other restaurant in the world. But I think now with this menu change, we're finally we're hitting our stride with this menu change. So I think this summer menu here that we have is probably going to be the most reflective of who I am as a chef. Things that I truly love to do, things that I love about California, things that I love about traveling and eating around the world. So to showcase that, today we're gonna do our new yellowtail crudo with a passion fruit aguachile, some lovely grapes, pickled Fresnos, and kumquats on top with some nice chili oil. We're gonna do our new sweet potato dish, garnet yams is one of my favorite things. We have our new cornbread also. We're gonna do our ribs with norigoma, our new snapper dish, and our new oxtail dish, all today. Yeah. So the thing about Tumi Coco, I started this years ago. I really wanted to do a sauce that kind of reflected my training as a chef, who I was and my approach to food. So it does have turmeric and coconut oil. It is very healthy. There's no calories. It's 2-year shelf stable, but I wanted something that chefs could cook with that really understood the flavor. So it's super clean. So it's not gonna overwhelm anything you put it with. It's just gonna complement it. I think that, my background being high volume fine dining, I think that one thing that you struggle with in those instances is consistency. So if I can provide like a flavor bomb in a bottle for a chef and he knows it's gonna be the same every time and they can incorporate it into their recipes, that was really kind of my goal. I think that what we have at Norma is a beautiful restaurant that is very highly seasonal and chef driven in West Hollywood. We have a small kitchen, a very dedicated, very educated, knowledgeable kitchen staff. We have a gorgeous space that we spend a lot of time and energy decorating, and we're still doing some more to kind of bring people in and really hone in on the design of the place. And we just want people to know about how great our food and our service is. Like, everyone that works here is a true passion, filled with passion professional in our industry. We've been doing it a long time, so we just want you guys to know that you can come and enjoy this place now and we're ready to serve you. I think if anything sets us apart, I have several years of cooking at a very high level and traveling the world, so I think that's going to be reflective in the cuisine. I think that a lot of people have a hard time pinpointing what type of food I cook. I hate when people ask me what's your specialty or what style of food you cook or what Norma does. I think that we recently had someone in who really took the time to talk to me, and what they said was it's international California cuisine with Southern influences. And that may sound weird, but I think the whole goal and purpose of me as a chef is to show that how food all goes so well together and how it brings cultures together. Food to me has always been about bringing people together, right? And I try to do that with every dish that I make. I want to bring cultures together on a plate without seeming weird or forced or convoluted. And I think this industry can offer wonderful things to a lot of people and a lot of opportunity to a lot of people. And that's what I love about it.